Okay, ready for day 3 activities. These are dribbling now. So the first 2 days were comfort touches. So it was the toe taps, the foundations, the juggling with the different feet and the head. Today it's dribbling. There are 4 different exercises today with dribbling. What you're going to start with are 2 cones 5 yards apart. You can see them on the edges there. The first one, we're just doing figure 8s. So we're doing right foot only and left foot only. Each lap that you do is 4 points. It's 1 point to get between the cones, 1 point to get around the cone, 1 point to get between the cones, and then 1 point to get around the cone. That's 1 lap, that is 4 points. So again, it's 20 seconds. So you're dribbling for 20 seconds, you stop, count how many points you got, then switch feet. So I'm going to do right foot first and then left foot and see how it goes. Okay, so that would be 18 points. I did 4.5 laps, so 18 points. Only 15 for the left foot. That last one didn't count. I went on the wrong side of the cone. So 18 right foot, 15 left foot. Okay, test number 3 are turns. Okay, or change of directions. So if you notice the setup now, there are still the first 2 cones that are 5 yards apart, but now I've made a 3-yard channel. I didn't bring enough cones, so you'll see my shoe, that's halfway in between. All the test is you dribble across with either foot as fast as you can. On that side, you turn with your right foot. You dribble back as fast as you can. On this side, you turn with your left foot. Any turn you want. It's just right foot, left foot. You get 1 point for crossing the middle, so crossing the shoe for me. 1 point for the turn, 1 full point for crossing the middle, and another point for the turn. So up and back, if you do it right, 4 points again. So again, 20 seconds. Right foot, left foot, point for crossing the middle. Only 16. I'll have to check the video to check. That was not very graceful, and I'm sure you all will get more than that. Okay, 4th and final challenge for today, 9th challenge of the week. This one is scissors. So, notice the setup now. Still the 2 cones 5 yards apart, but now I've added a cone right in the middle. It's 2.5 yards. What I'm going to do is I start the ball on the far side of the cones. I dribble straight, I do a scissor to change sides, and I dribble around the far cone. So I'm still on the far side of the cones, and now a scissor with the opposite foot to come back across. And I'll have a animation to show this one also. So it's 1 point to do a scissor correctly in front of the middle cone, 1 point to go around the outside, a point to go across with the scissor, coming back to the start, and then 1 point to get around the cone at the start. So again, it's a 4-point lap, and we're doing 20 seconds again. And yes, I'm out of breath because I'm doing these all together. between to rest so that you're able to do every 100%. I did them all right in a row because I'm trying to get in shape to coach. Haven't done it in a while, so good luck with the challenges. I'll have a little reward for anybody that can beat me at least one. So good luck, looking forward to the responses. See you later.